Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, cold weather package, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, trip computer, compass, power windows, panic alarm, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.